Hey guys, how's it going? How to disable quiet mode on Instagram. So first of all, just go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and what you're gonna do here, you're gonna just go ahead and click on your avatar icon at the top right, and from there just go ahead to search for your Instagram right here, and you're gonna double check if your Instagram app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and open up the Instagram app. Okay, and as you can see right here, you will see the Instagram app appearing in front of you. What you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click on your profile icon on the below right corner, and what you're gonna do here, you're gonna see right here in quiet mode, right? So if you want to turn it off, go ahead to the settings, and basically they will direct you to the quiet mode. But if you want to know how it's done, just go ahead and click the three bars at the top right, go ahead to the settings, and from the settings, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to privacy, for example, and from here you're gonna be able to notice that there isn't like a quiet mode kind of here. So basically what you're gonna do, you could just go back right here and just go ahead to notifications, for example, and you're gonna see right here quiet mode. Click on it, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just toggle this one off. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.